Okay, so here are two of the Unifilter snorkels for the KTM 1290. This is one pre-filter option that is available. It kind of folds around the honeycomb, and I just replaced these with the power cell, which you can just pull right out. But anyway, I thought people might want to see what was in these Unifilters after just about 3,000 miles. So as you can see, it's kind of gross in there. I'm gonna just try to prop the camera up here. Oof. So there's one. You can see a good bit of dirt. Super nasty. And there's the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and say they did a good job. Super gross. But there you have it. They do their job, but the power cell is gonna be much easier to deal with.